Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So we continue in this sideways range now for nearly 3 weeks. Ethereum at least created a clearer 5-wave move up than Bitcoin. Bitcoin hasn't really got a reliable 5-wave move up. Ethereum has. In recent weeks we talked about wave 1 being here. Then I did move it a few days ago here because it counted a little bit better, but with yesterday's rejection it makes sense to just place it here. But that's how we had it initially anyway. That's where our target was reached. If you remember, between 1960 and 1980 was our target of this wave 4 low to the wave 5 high, and it was reached perfectly. That $20 range was reached. Yeah. So we are now looking at this move down here as a wave 2. And yesterday's rejection makes it likely that this was a B wave top. I think that's how I had it before. I think I had it as a wave 4. It could still be a wave 4. You know, we could count that a little bit differently. But looking at it, it for me makes more sense at the moment to count it as an ABC, because it is a little bit too high for a wave 4. And it could be, because it's not really following through to the downside impulsively, which it should do in a C wave. It could do that it stretches a little higher, but it could still be a B wave then. It could just be a higher B wave, because either this B wave consists of an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave, and this is all of B, and we're coming down in C next. But if we look at that, then this B wave would have reached only, let's draw the Fibonacci retracements, would have reached only the 50% retracement. Now, to be honest, that's an absolute acceptable level for a B wave. Yeah? But still, sometimes they stretch a bit higher. And especially because the move down currently isn't really following through. It's not really following through to the downside in an impulsive fashion. It is possible that we get a higher B wave. It's just that if we break above yesterday's high, I think we have to deal with a higher B wave. And then this first A, B, sorry, not like that. This first A, B, C structure would just be a larger A wave. This move down could be a B wave, and then we get a C wave to the upside in a larger B wave, and then we follow through to the downside. That doesn't really make any great difference. It's just about, okay, you know, how high can this B wave stretch out? We're still in a range. The idea continues that we are in a wave 2, and this wave 2 has several support areas. 1943 was one of our targets to the downside. That was reached, but the reaction to it is not really impulsive yet. So that means we have to be ready for further downside. It's not a very nice bottoming structure, and it's only a 3-wave rally to the upside. That always makes it likely that we have to consider, or that another low is happening. Now, a 3-wave move can turn into a larger 3-wave move. Please know that. And again, if I draw the Fibonacci retracements, then a typical B-wave resistance in this case goes all the way up to 1945. Yeah, the 78.6 retracement. Only a move above that would make a B-wave less likely. Not impossible though. Essentially, what we need to see, honestly, is first of all a clean downside structure, and in my opinion, one more low here would be good in a C wave. That's been the message over the last few days anyway, that one more low would be good for this chart just to complete it. And then a nice 5-wave move to the upside, followed by a 3-wave pullback to indicate the trend has shifted and that we are in a 3rd-wave rally. Now, do we need that one more low? No, because we reached already our yellow support area and it reacted to it a few times. And this is a range that can be used, for example, for scaling in. Now, I'm never telling you when you should enter position, because that's much more a question of your strategy, your trading plan, your past trading decisions, position sizes, portfolio composition, than only the chart. So, you know, and I can't give you financial advice anyway. I don't know you anyway. But this is the area, these are the parameters that as long as price is holding this support, and this is where it could go off from one of these fib levels here, 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 or here. 1702 would be quite deep. Doesn't need to come down that low, absolutely not. But a break below that level would make this current scenario very unlikely. Okay, but until then, this is the scenario we're dealing with. Now, in an alternative scenario, we are still in the wave 4 and never saw that wave 5 to the upside. So that would put it pretty much in line with Bitcoin. But I mean, Bitcoin's wave 4 is massive, but with this massively overshooting B wave, I really hesitate to call that still a wave 4. And if it's a wave 4, it really shouldn't make one more low. Okay, but just these are the two possibilities. They are both bullish, so they don't really differ too much. It's just that, I mean, can we justify an overshooting B wave would be possible though, right? Let me just draw the fibs, because it is within the realms of the 1.38 fib retracement. So it's typically the maximum for an overshooting B wave. So yeah, I mean, it's possible. That's why I have the high B wave here anyway. A wave down, a B wave up, and now the C wave down. It's all possible, yeah? It's just that it would be a massive wave 4, and it would seem even more massive and out of proportion than Bitcoin's, but not impossible. But yeah, anyway, to consider a move up with high likelihood, a lasting one, yeah, we need a proper 5-wave move up. Until then, just look at the parameters, which are here. Yellow support area so far did hold. We can still go lower. 1802 is next support, 1760, 1702. And if we use the Fibonacci extensions to calculate a target for the C wave, then we're getting towards the 1760 level anyway, the golden ratio and the 100% extension, a very, very common target for such a C wave. So I would pay attention to that. Now, tomorrow, CPI data, I will do a CPI live stream. Take a look at our channel before the CPI release, and you will find the live stream link. I will also post it on YouTube, and yeah, it will be a live stream, prep live stream. Just be aware that tomorrow is, again, most likely going to be a bit of a crazy day. I mean, hopefully, because nobody can, I mean, hopefully it will shake up some of the charts a little bit. Based on what we can see, reaction should really be to the downside, but we'll see. I mean, any volatility would be good. We just need a clear signal of the market in which direction we're going. At the moment, we're a bit in no man's land, stuck in the middle, basically. All right, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.